Welcome back to Quantreef.com. Bitcoin sitting right around 77,890, hovering just under its session VWAP, which makes this a genuinely interesting spot. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely heads over the next several hours. Price is at 77,890, just below the session VWAP at 78,042. But still sitting above both anchored VWAPs from the swing high near 77,646 and the swing low near 72,606. Trend and structure score high at 91, so the bigger picture stays constructive, but sitting under session VWAP with volatility scoring weak means buyers haven't fully reclaimed short-term control yet. The heat map itself isn't giving us clean pool data right now, so I'll lean on the structural levels instead. What we do know is stop hunt risk is rated high around the current swing area, which tells you resting orders are clustered tight on both sides of price. That's exactly the kind of setup where a quick wick through a level to grab liquidity, then a snapback, is more common than a clean breakout. On the panel right now, resistance above sits at target 1, 84,263, then target 2 at 90,246, and target 3 up at 91,548. Below, support comes in at the 1H swing low, 76,603, with the stop-loss level just under it at 76,255. Given price is closer to that support cluster, I'd expect that side tested first, and a break below the stop-loss level would invalidate the constructive read. Below price we've got three unfilled bullish fair value gaps acting like magnets. One 4-hour gap around 76,236 to 75,786, a daily gap spanning 77,738 down to 73,400, and another 4-hour gap near 74,511. On the Fibonacci side, price sits inside the retracement, closest to the 0.382 level around 73,667, with extensions up at 83,754 and 89,090. Given proximity, I'd expect the nearest fair value gap to get tested before the fib extensions come into play. The grade reads neutral, with N at 85 and HTS at 64. Trend and volume layers are carrying the score, 91 and 87 respectively, while statistical volatility at 43 and Fibonacci location at 52 are dragging it down. On the flow side, 4-hour taker volume shows 42% long against 58% short, meaning short sellers are more aggressive right now, which sets up the possibility of a squeeze if price holds support. With price wedged between session VWAP above and that 76.6 cluster below, I'd expect a probe toward the nearby fair value gaps first, since they sit unfilled and close by. If buyers defend that zone, a reclaim of session VWAP opens the path toward the 84,000 region. If sellers push through the stop-loss level near 76,255, that's where shorts get emboldened, especially with takers already 58% short and offside if price squeezes higher. The bullish case confirms on a VWAP reclaim, invalidated below 76,255. The bearish case confirms on a clean break of that support, invalidated back above VWAP near 78,000. So we're at a genuine decision point, and whichever side claims the next liquidity pool likely dictates the next real leg. If this kind of breakdown helps, drop a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grading, probability, and liquidity read across over 100 coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't financial advice.